It's possible to add up an infinite number of numbers and get a finite sum. Zeno, an ancient Greek philosopher, famously and unknowingly discovered such a sum. He argued that it was impossible for a runner to reach the goal line of a race. This is because first they would have to run halfway there, and then you'd have to run half the remaining distance to get 3/4 of the way there, and then half that remaining distance, and so on. But there's always half that remaining distance left. Because there's an infinite number of halves to traverse, you can never complete the task. But clearly that isn't true because runners finish races all the time. The reason why this works is because if you add up 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1/16 and so on, you actually get 1. Zeno's other argument that an infinite number of tasks would take an infinite amount of time to complete is equally false for the same reason. So long as the length of time required to complete each successive task approaches 0, then there's a chance that the infinite sum of smaller lengths of times add to a finite amount of time. And indeed, the sum of the infinite number of periods required to complete each half of the run is finite and adds to the length of the time the runner needed to complete the race.